Hi, I'm Andrew Carmelini, chef and restaurateur from The Dutch in La Conde Verde in Lafayette. Today we're going to make a turkey. You're going to read a lot about turkeys this season. This is mine. I think it's the best. There's some drama involved in making a turkey every year. But if you make it right, turkey's delicious. Typically, people like to cook the whole bird. I like to break it down and cook the parts separately. Besides the fact that it's ready, it's also guaranteed to be super, super moist and super, super flavorful. We're gonna cut right down the sternum. Just really, really easy. Just one cut, just straight down until you hit bone. If there's a little bit of meat left against the bone, don't freak out. No one's gonna be judging you. Just like that. Comes off super, super easy. One turkey breast. Now, you got your legs. Now, if this is cooked already, it's gonna fall apart really, really super easy. You can kind of crack it a little bit. You can hear it, just like that. Use the tip of your knife. Just get in there best you can. Over like that. There's two camps of brining. There's pro-brining, there's anti-brining. I am definitely pro-brining. I think it's important. It makes the meat really super tender, and it also salts it lightly. Gives it really good flavor. A very, very simple brine with sugar, salt, and water. Turkey breasts are gonna do about 45 minutes. You can do it longer, but we're gonna wrap the breast in bacon a little bit later, so there's gonna be a lot of salinity inside already. We're also gonna cook the thighs, because I love the thigh meat, my favorite part. We're gonna put those in a separate pot of brine, because we're gonna brine those like a full hour. If you just roast the thighs, season with salt and pepper, and roast them in the oven, you probably have enough meat to feed everybody. I'm not really big on putting bacon, over everything. It's not really my thing. This is one of those times when bacon wrapped turkey breast tastes really, really good. And you just kind of like line each piece up just as you slice it on a piece of parchment paper, so you have enough bacon to kind of like make the roll, which is like 3 times the size of your breast. If you don't want to use bacon and you just want to rub it with the herbs, that's totally fine. And you can even roast the breast in the oven without the bacon, and it's going to come out just fine. It doesn't matter if you do skin side down or skin side up. Just want to put it inside. I like this style, A, because it cooks wonderfully. I also like this style because I can do most of the things the day before, which when you're cooking for 12 people, 20 people, and you want to enjoy the party a little bit, I like to have a lot of things done. And this way, your leg meat's cooked ahead of time. The breast you can just cook the day of. The gravy is made already. The sides, you can even use the microwave and heat some of the sides up in the microwave. So it doesn't stress you out too much, and you have a bird that's far superior that you could ever do if it's just roasted whole. We don't want overcooked turkey. I like to stick the temperature probe inside 150 to 155. You're going to read 165 because that's what they say they're supposed to tell you, but you take it out at 150, 155 and just let it sit for like 15-20 minutes so it rests, the juices distribute, and the internal temperature is going to be totally cool. It's going to be perfect. So whether you're roasting it whole and presenting it whole, or whether you're taking it apart and wrapping it in bacon, leave your fancy Japanese knives at home. I'm a fan of the electric knife. It's a little bit grandma, but it works really, really well for something like this, especially when you have to cut through the bacon. Good chefs, great chefs, they obsess over the details and they obsess about how to get things right. I think being savvy is just knowing the most about your ingredients, showing someone the best way to prepare them after much trial and error.